In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight content in Draw.io for clearer diagrams. First, let's get started by opening Draw.io in your browser. Go to the main diagrams page. If this is your first time using it, you might see a prompt asking where to save your diagrams, like your device or a cloud service. Choose the option that works best for you, then confirm so you can move on to the editor. Once that's done, you should see a blank canvas titled something like Untitled Diagram. This is the workspace where you'll be creating and editing your diagram. Take a moment to look around the interface. On the left, you'll usually see a Shapes panel with basic shapes, arrows, and other elements you can drag onto the canvas. At the top, there's a toolbar with options for formatting, arranging, and styling your diagram. The main white area in the center is your drawing canvas, where all the action happens. Now, let's focus on highlighting, which is really useful when you want to draw attention to specific parts of your diagram, like a key process, an important step, or a problem area. Instead of manually searching through menus every time, there's a quick keyboard shortcut that helps you find highlight-related tools much faster. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus O at the same time. If you're on a Mac, you can usually use Command instead of Control, but the idea is the same. You're opening up a search or command feature inside Draw.io. When you press this shortcut, a small search field or command box should appear on screen. Click into that search field if it's not already active and start typing the word highlight. As you type, Draw.io will filter and display options related to highlighting or similar functions. This might include highlight styles, shapes that look like markers, or formatting options that help you visually emphasize parts of your diagram. From here, you can select the highlight-related option that best fits what you're trying to do. For example, you might choose a shape style that has a colored background, or apply a thicker, brighter outline to make an element stand out. Experiment a little until you find a look that clearly draws attention without making your diagram too busy. Remember, using the shortcut in search is much quicker than hunting through menus, and it helps keep your workflow smooth as your diagrams become more complex.